Adding header and footer code to your WordPress website is essential for tasks like integrating analytics, adding custom scripts, or improving SEO. You can add code in the header and footer through the theme settings or by directly editing the theme files. Here's how to do it. Using the theme customizer, go to WordPress dashboard, log into your WordPress admin panel, navigate to the customizer, go to Appearance, Customize, add custom scripts. Some themes have a header or footer script section. If available, click it and paste your custom code in the header or footer text areas. Publish. After pasting the code, click Publish to save changes. Using a plugin, install a plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Insert Headers and Footers and install it. Activate the plugin. After activation, go to Settings, Insert Headers and Footers, Add Code. Paste your code into the Scripts in Header or Scripts in Footer box. Save changes. Click Save to apply the changes. Editing theme files. Access Theme Editor. Go to Appearance, Theme Editor. Edit header or footer files. Edit header.php for header code and footer.php for footer code.